I am thunder, rolling through the sky, born when lightning heats the air and makes the pressure rise. You see the lightning first, then hear the thunder sound, because light travels faster than sound can travel around. I am the sound of a lightning strike, when lightning heats the air in a sudden flash of light. The air expands quickly and sends a shock wave out. That moving wave becomes the thunder you hear loud. Lightning can strike far away across the stormy sky. The flash reaches you first because light moves fast nearby. Then sound travels through the air much slower than the light. So you see the lightning before you hear the thunder strike. If lightning strikes nearby, my sound can shake the ground. You may hear a sudden crack or a sharp and powerful sound. If lightning strikes far away, my sound may rumble low. The farther that I travel, the softer I can grow. Thunder does not always sound like one single boom. The sound can bounce from clouds and travel through the air. Different parts of lightning make sounds at different times. Those sounds reach your ears and mix into a rumbling sound. Lightning is the flash that lights up the sky. Thunder is the sound that follows close behind. They happen at the same time, but you see the flash first, because light travels faster than sound across the earth. I am thunder, rolling through the sky, born when lightning heats the air and makes the pressure rise. You see the lightning flash, then hear my booming sound, a powerful wave of energy that travels all around.